this is what I was thinking for a game for the fair. We have precision CW fish check up there, and we have a CW key down here. We could have easy, medium, hard, just so the kids can figure out where they're at when they're playing around. Easy, we could do mom. And then for medium, we could have something like dad. And then for hard, we can have Portland. If you were wondering how I was able to get this key to work with the computer, precision CW fist check just needs a mouse. So if I click the mouse, it's going to show a D. So you can do it from the mouse. What I did was I tore apart a regular mouse and put it into an Altoids tin. That Altoids tin is the converter box. So you can see this, the key input, and then the rest of it is just a USB cord that is actually the mouse that I had breaking apart. And there's the innards to the mouse. Everything is wired up so that when I hit the key over here, it's going to click, left click, just like we did with the mouse, but it's connected via these wires soldered to the back of that switch. So if I go ahead and plug this thing back in, you can see if I'm hitting this switch here, we're good to go. And that's how I made a converter box for the paddle here.